Hello everyone, I hope you have been enjoying your creative journey and finding joy in painting. Today I would like to talk about figurative practice in watercolor. Painting figures is one of the most interesting and rewarding part of art. A figure can tell a story, show emotion and bring life to a painting. Whether it is a person walking on a street, sitting on a cafe, working in a field or simply standing quietly, figures help create connection and meaning. We often worry about getting the proportion right or making mistakes. But figurative practice is not about creating perfect people. It is about learning to observe, simplify, and express. One of the best ways to improve figurative painting is through regular practice. Just a few quick sketches every day can make a big difference. Start with simple poses, focus on the overall shape and movement rather than small details. Another important lesson is learning to simplify. We do not need to paint every button, figure, or fold in clothing. Instead, we can look for the main shape and values. Observation is also a key skill. Watch people in park, market, train station, or cafe. Notice how they stand, walk, and interact with each other. This observation helps us create more natural and meaningful figures. Photographs can be useful, but drawing from life teaches much more. When we observe real people, we learn about movement, light, shadow, and changing expression. This experience improves our artistic understanding. Another challenge is figurative watercolor is proportion. At first, figure may look too tall, too short, or unbalanced. This is completely normal. Every artist goes through this stage. With practice, our eyes become better at judging proportion. Watercolor encourage us to paint with confidence. Too much correction can make figures look stiff. Sometimes a quick fresh brushstroke captures the feeling of a figure better than many careful strokes. It is also helpful to practice figures at different distance. A figure in the foreground may need more detail, while figure in the distance can be painted with just a few marks. Learning this skill helps create depth and atmosphere in a painting. Do not afraid of mistakes. Every unsuccessful figures teaches something valuable. Some of my best lessons have come from paintings that did not work as planned. Each attempt improve our understanding. One thing I enjoy about figurative painting is storytelling. A simple figures can create curiosity. A group of figures can create energy and interaction. People naturally look at other people, so figures often become an important focal point in a painting. As watercolor artists, we should remember that figures do not need to be perfect portrait. Their purpose is often to support the mood, atmosphere, and story of the painting. A few expressive shapes can be more powerful than detailed. Over time, figurative practice helps us develop confidence. We begin to see people as simple shapes, values, and movements, rather than complicated subjects. This makes the process more enjoyable and less intimidating. To conclude, figurative practice in watercolor teaches observation, simplification, confidence, and storytelling. It helps bring life and human connection into our artwork. The more we practice, the more comfortable we become. So, my encouragement to everyone is simple. Carry a sketchbook, observe people around you, and paint figures regularly. Do not worry about perfection. Focus on learning, enjoying the process, and expressing life through your brush. Thank you, and happy painting.